Alrighty, this is number 3 I'm listing today. This is 1973 Yamaha AT3. It's a decent running bike. It's titled and licensed and ready to go. The tires are good. They're new, relatively new. I put them on probably a year ago. Engine runs. The badges are missing from the oil tank. The front turn signals are off of a later model, 74 up, but they work just fine. They have 6-volt bulbs in them, or 12-volt bulbs in them. I painted up the pipe last year when I was riding around. She's actually in pretty good shape, but I didn't clean up the chassis any. Well, I power washed it, but that's it. I didn't paint anything that much. Didn't paint the tank. It's got a couple of dents in it. Here's one. Other than that, it's good. Turn signals in the back are proper for this year. Has a nice luggage rack. Ready to hop on and ride. I don't have gas in it, and I'm not going to put gas in it for now. So, but I'll show you the nice part about AT3s. She turns over with the electric starter. Buttons are all there, controls are right. Show you the lights, turn signals. Hopefully you can see that in the sunshine. Yeah, they're both working. I don't know about headlight. Headlight. You got to go one more click. Headlight. High beam, low beam, or vice versa, I'm not sure. I don't think the indicator works up here. There's an indicator right here. That's about the only thing that doesn't work on it. So this one's about $800, and I think that's a bargain for this bike. Oh, the oil pump works. You don't need to mix the gas or anything. So she's for sale. All right, I was editing the video on that little AT3 over there, and I noticed that when I turned the key back, I only turned it one click, and that is the on position. And the battery won't last long like that. Yeah, it's on. Horn works. So we will go back in and finish our editing.